Divine Special Mission, copyright 5763 Aharon Ben Yaakov. These are things that I learned from the Torah, revealed through Hashem's ways, Hashem the God of Israel. The problem with most people today is that we don't really know how really great we are. And the greatness and powers that we really have inside that Hashem has given to us, we don't really understand and see and identify. So please know, you have a divine special mission that is only yours. Your own special private connection to Hashem that is only yours. He created you for a reason. It will be revealed. You must search in yourself, the Torah, and the worlds. Then, when you see your connection, your reason Hashem created you, He wants you to do the things He made you to do, you must find them. That's part of your divine special mission. Unlock your inner gates and transcend through the realms. You must give to get. Not selfish Torah and mitzvot, not done only for yourself. You must do it for the love of Hashem, never expecting a reward. Giving makes you happy. Being honest lets you see the truth. We see the things in others that we see in ourselves. Open, clear vision, not constricted by self-deceit. Wandering open-mindedness is when Hashem is truly revealed. Be candid, open, truthful, honest, and brave, and share your truth with others. It will spread. Listen. Stop. Think. Try to understand. Low self-esteem and egomania go together because they both don't appreciate and recognize that all that we have is really a gift from Hashem. A smart man learns from others. Preconceived misconceptions will be dispelled. Clarifying your mind to receive the Torah through clear vision like Moses had, then you will see Hashem. Partial Ruach HaKodesh and prophecy Nevuah are now attainable. Many people already have them. The 10 Midot written in Avodah Zarah 20 and great deeds prepare your vessel to receive them as a gift to you, a gift from Hashem. Part of your divine special mission, be honest at the right time, wholehearted, true as you can be, and He will reveal it to you and empower you to fulfill it. Your divine special mission, the reason you were created. Hashem loves you, no matter how you are, no matter who you are, what you did, how many sins or transgressions, or how far you are, how much you don't believe or don't like or hate or angry, can't stand it. You don't like what you did or what others did. Calm down. Think.
Can't stand it.
Connect yourself with your Creator. He will help you fulfill it.
Can't stand it.
Just ask and He will answer. Just seek and you will find. There is no promise that He cannot fulfill. And He promised us much. So we just have to fulfill our part. He shall fulfill His in time, in His time. Have faith. Be patient. And know. You are special. You are great. You are holy. You have a divine special mission. A divine special mission.